Hey guys, Shane again. What's it? Wednesday afternoon, 27th of October. Okay, I'm gonna quickly fly through a few things here. Last night's very strong move down. Okay, so what are we looking at? Okay, from the last video, I'm still looking for this ABC for my wave four. So remember, A, so hoping for there's my old block there. We're hoping for B to get up to there, and then get our C, and then we can go. At the moment, it went slightly lower down to there, then met our B, which was quite an impulsive move, which means this was my A in 5, there's my 3 in B, and now we're working our wave C. So I still believe, even though it came out very hard last night, this is still a C wave and still a correction down to 56,000 or 56.5 maybe. Okay, so that is the level I'm looking at where we really should be bouncing up from there to make hopefully a wave 5. And then after that, obviously, we'll have bigger corrections and sideways and downways and whatever we want to do. But for now, it's still looking like there's my 1 down at the bottom here, 2, 3, and now we're building 4, and then we'll have 5. Okay, so 5 going up. So far, all looking still in play. This is exactly what we spoke about probably a couple of weeks ago. I need to show you what to look for. If we get down to the 56,500 area, okay, so this is my little block there now, and that's where the buy opportunities are. We have to bounce from this level, guys. This is not negotiable at all, because down here is my dotted line, and I made the number in red, 53,000. We cannot break or touch 53,000. That is the top of wave 1, and that is a bearish scenario. So if we break through this, I'm sorry to tell you, but then it's going to be very bad for the bulls. So if I look at that on my daily chart to give you a clearer picture. Okay, so remember, we in our bullish, but remember I got a bearish and a bullish scenario. But currently, if this was our wave 1 and we finished our wave 2 down here, okay, that means we should now have a wave 3. And wave 3, in this case, it's not high enough yet, not far enough yet. So if I pull this down a bit, I'll show you old chart. I think the numbers are still up here. There's my 5 up there, 100, 105 something. So I'm still tracking this bullish scenario because that's what you guys want to hear. So we've got the 1, 2, should get a 3 up to there somewhere, 4, 5. So 3 should be around about 80,000. This I have told you guys in my last videos, so I'm not going to go into detail now. Please go watch the old ones. So the moment, if this is wave 1, this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. If this is wave 1, top of wave 1, 2, 3 must get reached up here somewhere before we can start coming down for the big 4 and the big 5, okay? But if this is the inside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for those who are learning Elliott wave, you've got 5 waves inside your wave 3, which is impulsive. This just tells us that wave 4 can never touch, wave 4 can never touch wave 1, okay? So keeping that in mind, I'm just letting you know that if we hit 53,000, yeah, I would get worried. If we bounce from 57, 58, where are we now? We now set down, well, we touched 58 this morning. So and what do we got here? If I go to the 1 hour, let's see if I can count this on the fly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that could be our 1, our 2, and inside here I've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 3 down there. So basically this could be the 4. So I really think we should have another low before any up moves can happen. So back to 4 hour. Okay, so what I'm looking for, guys, anything down here, if we're looking for some sort of reaction down here, the impulse, small retrace, and then it's a go. All right. So same for Ethereum. I mean, these things caught me by surprise last night. Very late last night, everything started coming down very hard. Although I've been showing you guys my ABC for the Ethereum to play out and to hopefully finish our wave 4 down here. So that is still in play. Nothing has changed. Only thing is, this little bugger has gone and stopped me out on my short position. So I had a nice short position. When we got to here, I was like, yes, let's go. So I shorted. I went to bed smiling, woke up this morning just to see it literally just touched my stop loss on the top there. It was too tight, but I thought this is a safe move because it was so strong. And then it carried on down. So unfortunately, all this profit I've lost out on. That's okay. Now I'll wait for the buy zone down here. So this is the trading opportunities I've got here. We're looking at where I can short them, and we're looking at where we can buy back in again. So go back to 4 hour rather. So very similar to the Bitcoin chart. We've got our 1, 2 at the bottom here, massive 3. Now the thing is, this is a triangle which is normally a wave 4, and this is our inside wave 5, and that's our major 3 finished. And now some guys are thinking this could be the start of the bigger bull run, but in my mind it's not. Why do I say that? Because a first move in a wave 1 or impulsive move must always be in 5 waves, and we only had a beautiful 3-wave correction. So that's why I knew that we should have this 3-wave or whatever strange sideways correction we should have for wave B, and this is why I was so confident last night to short this thing. Now I'm waiting for my wave C to finish down here. So guys, the buy zone for Ethereum is 3,800, even 3,725. So anywhere in this wave 4 area is a good buy opportunity for Ethereum. All right. Ethereum still has to do one more wave up for wave 5, where it will break its last all-time highs finally, like Bitcoin. And from there, we'll watch the correction play out from there, okay? But for now, bars going from 3,700, 3,800. What else can I quickly show you? XRP, yeah. Let me tell you about XRP quickly. For those who are in XRP, the last video I showed you, I did make a note of we got the 3-way correction, so we can go from here. But unfortunately, it never broke out to my bullish level, so we had a 3-wave again. And then I said to you guys, okay, guys, now I need this to go a little bit up again so I can get out on my buys, so my buy orders, so I can close them and wait for the new low down the bottom. So although this came down very hard, let me just show you. Okay, so I got out with a small profit, only a couple $100, so nothing to write home about. So I got my, looks like a WXY playing out, and because that's 3-3, 3-3, and another 3-3 done. So A, B, C. So I shorted right there and there, okay? So I went to bed feeling happy about it, and then last night, 1 o'clock, whatever it was, 12 o'clock, it spiked up, gave everyone this, let's go to 1 hour. Everyone got excited, it broke out the resistance line, everything was happy, everyone thinking, okay, bull. I got very peed off because I had short positions in, taken out, and here I felt like I can't believe this. I might be losing out on my XRP buys because I just got out of all my buys. And then right like that, everything else, it just turned around. So this was a very fast, fake move out. Hits everyone stops or get the buyers. See, this is why the breakout buyers get hurt. Because they see a breakout right like this and they buy. And they think it's going to be the run, and it doesn't happen and it comes down again. So if you are a breakout trader, please do yourself a favor. Wait for the breakout. Wait for the retrace to some sort of support before you actually buy. It's just a safer bet. Anyway, enough education. So back from A, B, C. So now came down nicely. So I don't know where it was. Right about there. Last night I said, well, bugger this. I'm getting back into my short positions. Because if it's faking out like that, it's not going up. So luckily I got back in my short positions. So at the moment I'm up a few $100s. So that's a good one. What am I waiting for now? Well, I'm hoping, and this is the C wave, so that should be 1. That's a massive 3. That's a 4. And I should get a new low just below that for wave 5, and that should complete wave C. So that's your buy opportunities again. So you see what are we doing here? We are thinking our third wave is finished, we buy. Okay, we'll buy over there. If it doesn't play out, we get out because the correction is still carrying on, and then we wait for the next buy orders down here. What are the levels I'm looking at? Well, at the moment, it's looking at 93 cents, 94 cents, which is very, very good place for wave C to end. So write this down, 93 cents, 94 cents, guys. It could go all the way down to 86 cents as well, quite easily. But I do need it to stay above whatever this is, 80 whatever, 85. So I prefer to stay above that for me to have my bullish scenario still to play out. Okay, so that is all assuming that this is wave 1 done, and this is now our wave 2 being completed, and this is our wave 3 starting. So all I'm saying is I want to buy. Why? Because wave 3, oh, this is a mess. Wave 3 in a Elliott wave scenario is 1.6 times at least longer than wave 1. So I do not want to miss this move on the wave 3, okay? So although, as you can see, it's already hit my bar zones down here, but that was just a spike down. And if I count the internal waves, I feel there should be a one more to come. So this bounce, I think, will still bring us down to here, where I hope to be able to get in again. But while I'm doing it, I'm also watching Bitcoin and everything else just to see how they're playing out. Okay, I think I'll leave it there for now. Those who are on SHIB or SHIB, this bugger hurt me this week. Okay, so remember, I bought there, I sold there, I shorted, and I shorted, made some nice money. I bought here again, it's my green arrow. This little bugger right here, this little pin there, literally with like probably a few cents, touched my stop loss, and look at this. I missed out on all that. So because I did that, I'm thinking, okay, maybe this is a A, a B, a C. So we got A, a B, triangle C, and then I want to buy here, the big run up. But unfortunately, it looks like this whole thing was actually a wave 4. So there's wave 4. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and now a massive extended wave 5. So at some point, I'm waiting for this thing to do some sort of correction before we can look at actually trying to get into this thing. It's like a runaway ball, runaway train. Okay, so that's SHIB. I think I'll leave it there. I did XRP, I did that. What else? Matic, BTT, they're all doing what they're doing. ADA, Cardano. This is still playing out. This is my old chart from a month ago where I showed you guys this down move. I had some labels here for W and an X and a Y, and I had my entries at 177 and 155. So I said this is what I'm waiting for. So yeah, it looks like it could still happen because it did break down and it's still breaking down. So I'm just watching this to see where it's going to actually give a reaction, and then we can get in, okay? But yes, I'm still waiting for a little bit more lows before I buy ADA again. Okay, I think that's it for now. That's already 30 minutes. What else is important here? No, that's it. I think it's all. Okay, guys, thank you. If you learned from this, please to support the channel, give it a like, thumbs up. And yeah, good luck, guys. Not trading advice, by the way, not financial advice. Cheers.